All right, today I'm doing headlight restoration on my Toyota Prius with ArmorAll Ultra Shine headlight restoration wipes. Here are the before pictures. You can see that they've got yellow haziness to them, and there's some deeper crusty parts as well. First, I washed it with water and dish soap, and then I rinsed it good and let it dry. The ArmorAll Headlight Restoration Kit contains 4 Step 1 pads that you use to clean off the headlights, and then 2 Step 2 pads, 1 per headlight, that you use to kind of seal in the shine after you're done. So with the oxidation removal pad, you're supposed to keep it folded in a square and rub it horizontally along the headlight. And then when a side gets dirty, you switch it to another side. So I did this, and I also would periodically turn it inside out and find clean sides on the inside. And then once that one's all browned up, you use the second one. So obviously there was a lot of time lapse involved there, but as the first one came up mostly clean, I opened up the second one, and then I just kept scrubbing. They say you have to scrub another 2 minutes after it's coming out completely clean. And then you rub it clean with the dry cloth. So the instructions on the Step 2 pad sound a lot like paint. So you open it up, and then you rub it all over the headlight, and then you wait 3 hours for it to dry. This makes me think you probably should do it in the garage rather than in your driveway like I did. So here's what the ArmorAll headlight restoration looked like the next day. So I gave it all night and day to dry up. So there's definitely no wet paint involved here. You can see there's still some haze there that I probably would have needed to sand out, but all of the yellow is gone and it looks way better than it used to. So here's a look at the before versus the after. So you can see the yellow and the haze in the before, and you can see in the after, the yellow's all gone, but there's still a little bit of haze. So honestly, I think if I was going to do it again, I'd have to buy a kit that has some sandpaper in it and requires a little more muscle, like maybe the Turtle Wax kit. But if you want this or the Turtle Wax kit, there's links in the description. Thanks for watching.